Hello friends, and welcome to week 3, day 1. Today we are going to add some more rules. I know we're learning a lot of rules this year about how words work. Today we're going to add bonus letters to the ends of words, and we're also going to talk about a glued sound today. Okay, first I want to go ahead and review our trick words. So we have said. Remember, these are words we can't tap out. These are just ones we're going to practice every day until we remember. S-A-I-D, said. They, there's how I marked up my digraph, T-H. T-H-E-Y, they, even though it sounds like a long A. T-H-E-Y. One, O-N-E, one. Okay. We have a lot to get to today. Today, we are going to talk about bonus letters. These are words that have a short vowel. When that short vowel is followed by an L, an F, or an S, it's going to get a bonus letter, or I like to call them a twin letter. They need that help. They need that bonus letter there or that twin letter there. Okay, so this is only going to happen. Sometimes it'll happen with Z as well, but today we're just going to talk about the bonus letters L, F, and S. Okay, and the rule again, we've talked about a lot of rules with short vowels so far. When I have a short vowel followed by L, it will get its double letter L or bonus letter. When I have a word with a short vowel U followed by F, the F will get their bonus letter. When I have a short vowel followed by S, the S will get its bonus letter. Now the way we mark this is with a star. Okay, that's how we're going to mark our bonus letters. Now, this word, and I'm going to show you, even though it has 4 letters, it's only going to have 3 taps. Because when we say the word ball, we don't say b-all, we just say ball. That second L is silent. He's just there to help out his brother or sister, okay? Same with the F. We don't say puff, we just say puff. That second F is there to help out his brother or sister. Same with the S. K-is. We don't say kisses, okay? That second letter is there to help out his brother or sister, all right? So let's go ahead and practice some of those. If you notice on my letter board, I have added another F bonus letter, another L bonus letter, another S bonus letter. I've also added a glued sound that we're going to talk about. Sometimes these are called glued sounds or welded sounds. I just call it a glued sound, okay? All right, so we're going to start with our first word, miss. Now remember our rule. If it is a short vowel, which that is, so I'm going to make a brev so you see that, and it's followed by F, L, or S, it's going to get a bonus letter. Even though there are 4 tiles, I'm only going to tap out 3 times. Miss. Now the way I mark this is I put a little star over it. If you have a hard time making a star, you could just do a star like that too. Either way is fine. Okay? So that's our first word with a bonus letter. This is not considered a blend, even though I have 2 letters together, because these 2 letters are the same. That's a bonus letter. So let's spell it back. M-I-S-S. I'm going to leave my brev and my bonus letter star because that's what we're working on today. My next word is toss. T-aw. And again, short O followed by either an F, L, or S automatically gets its bonus letter. So even though I have 4 tiles, it's 3 taps. T-aw-s, toss. Not a blend because these letters are twins. They're the same. Spell it back. T-O-S-S. Okay, my next word, off. Aw. Now that would just be the word of. Short vowel followed by F, L, or S gets its bonus letter. So I have 3 tiles, but it's only 2 taps. Remember, the second bonus letter is silent. Off. Off. O, F, F. Okay, let's try ill, like when someone is sick. I, ill. Short vowel. F, L, or S gets a bonus letter. So I have I, L, L, only 2 taps. I, ill. Short vowel marked with a brev. Bonus letter marked with a star. Mess. Short vowel followed by an F, L, or S gets a bonus letter. Mess. 4 tiles, 3 taps. S. Mess. M, E, S, S. Now, are you ready? I'm going to teach you about this glued sound, okay? When I have a word that has A-L-L at the end, this is called a glued sound, okay? When we have a glued sound, when we're making the word, so if I make the word ball, I have 2 tiles. I'm just going to go B-all, ball. The A-L-L are a team. They work together. If I were to write this word, we're going to mark this one a little different. Because this is a glued sound, we're going to put a box around it. That tells me those letters stick together, okay? So, B-all, ball. I don't have to mark the bonus letter, okay? I don't have to mark the vowel because I know this is a glued sound. They stay together. All right, let's try another one. So put our B back. Now let's try fall. 2 tiles. All. Fall. Again, if we were to write this, F-A-L-L, this is a glued sound. All I have to do is put a box around that. Since you see all 3 letters are on 1 tile, okay, so that means only 1 sound, okay, they go together. We put a box around it to know that they stick together, okay? So, remember our bonus letters, we're going to put a star over. So if I look up here, if I spell this back, F, and then I have A-L-L, my bonus letters, remember, I'll always, my marker's running out, I need to get a new one. My bonus letters, I'll always put a star over, okay? Same with my L and my F. A-L-L, when we see that in a word, we're going to put a box around it. Okay, so just a couple more rules with our adding when we have a short vowel. Now, today, if you'll notice, I added a second slide because we were running out of room on the first slide, but I don't want to get rid of anything. There is a rule for bonus letters. If you click on that, there's a video that goes with that to help explain the LL, the SS, and the FF, and sometimes ZZ. I also added a poster of this card. When you see a green card, you're going to know it is a glued sound. And remember, we mark our glued sound by putting a box around it. Okay, there's no activity to go with this today. If you want to go back to the first slide and click on your letter poster, you can practice building some words with the ALL glued sound. If you would like, ball, fall, haul, mall, tall, okay, whatever you can think of, you can practice doing those today. Okay, I do have a couple. I have to find where I put them. Mrs. Robbins has way too much stuff. Well, I did have a couple of trick words. I don't know where I put them. I'll just write them on the board today. And then I'll find them for tomorrow. Okay, so we have the trick word shall. S. That's my marker that doesn't work. Mrs. Matchett's laughing at me, guys. S-H-A-L-L. Shall. Now, how would we mark this? Well, I have a digraph, so I can underline the S-H. I have a glued sound, A-L-L, so I can put a box around it. So shall is just going to be 2 taps because digraph is 1 tap. My glued sound, A-L-L, is 1 tap. So sh-al, shall. Okay, my next trick word is full, F-U-L-L. This, we have not talked about this glued sound, so when I look at this, I'm going to mark F-O-O-O. There's my breath for my short U. Here is my star for my bonus letter. Not a very good star. Hard to do upside down. Okay, so when I do this, I have 1, 2. Remember, these share a sound. So 3. F-O-L, full. And then I have pull, which rhymes with full. P-U-L-L. I'm going to mark with my brev and a star for my bonus letter. P-O-L, pull. You notice that U kind of takes over the L. That's probably going to be a glued sound we'll learn in the future. Okay, I hope you had fun with today's lesson. I hope it wasn't too much. Go ahead and go into our virtual classroom to those slides to watch that video about those bonus letters, and I will see you tomorrow.